You ever feel like you're too late in life to do something or never did something you've always wanted to do? Don't worry, you're not alone. Well, this is me at 40 years old feeling that way, but we're gonna overcome it. To tell you a little bit about myself, I've been in motorsports for some time, but usually behind the camera. Then I started reviewing cars for my YouTube channel that got me the opportunity to drive some of the most amazing pieces of engineering and even some minivans. My goal? Use all my childhood hours of playing racing video games, the couple of track days I've done for media drives, and my creative skills to document my journey of becoming a race car driver at 40 years old. Why do I want to do this? Mainly to tell myself that I can set a goal and accomplish it and inspire others to do so as well. So join me in my journey as I plan on documenting everything from my fitness journey, my sim racing, autocrossing, and then to a racing grid. Welcome to RevMatch Racer.